Hi, so I am going to be showing you how to use this new phonics magnetic word work. I'm going to send you over a file, and if you double click it, it should open up to PowerPoint on your Chromebook or your device. And it will work on a tablet or a computer, or a Chromebook. This is something new for me. I want to see if we can try to transition over to more of a paperless. I'm not saying paperless. Maybe I should not say paperless, just less paper in our work zone. So a few parents have been asking, well, what can I do online? So we are going to be using HeadSprout, RazKids, Teacher Monster to read, and now we're going to test this out. Now, if it doesn't work, we'll look for other things, but let's go through it then. So along the side, I better actually make that accessible to you as well. Over on the left-hand side, you're going to see the directions. So I'm just going to go through the directions, but you're going to see this as well when you get your file. So let's just go through this. Okay, so how to move the letters? It's going to be really simple. You're just going to be grabbing the letters and putting them into, you're going to click it with your left mouse, and you're just going to pull it up, just like you do like when you're using Starfall in the computer lab. And you're going to drag the letter to the spot that you want it to go on. So that's easy. I think we know how to do that. Let's see what the next thing is. How to add a sentence. Okay, so this is something that we will have to practice. This seems like a parent thing if we want to add a sentence. That seems like something I would do a second video on. I think we want to just build the word first, and then we'll get into sentences later. We're going to skip that for now. How to add words. Same thing. We're going to build first, and then we'll get into the harder parts. Okay, let's go right to one of the examples. Now, what is this? Does anyone know what that is? We'll put flowers in it. Yes, it is a vase. So what letter do I need? Okay, so I'm going to see this cursor moving around in circles? I'm going to drag it, just like I would with my mouse that's connected to the computer. You can practice it, move it around. Nothing will happen unless you click the left-hand button below where your the thumb pad. I'm not sure what this is called. Maybe there's a technical term for it. Click it on the left and then pull it up. And where do you want this V? Where does the V? Oh, the V goes at the front. Okay. The A says its own name. Then I go back down to the A. I'm going to drag it over. I don't let go of it. Let's see what happens if I let go of it too early. Oh, it just stays there. It doesn't like it. So, luckily it doesn't pop back. Okay, so there we are. The A. What's next? S. Vase. Am I done? I feel like I'm done. That's all the sounds I hear. V. Ass. Vas. Wait. I need something that's going to make the A say its own name. Oh, the E. So, that is basically what we're doing. We're just using these magnetic letters. They're like magnetic letters to build the word. Now later on, we will have other things that we can do. We will be creating text boxes down here to write words. We'll be doing other things. And then you can, pull them back down, and you could play it another day just for practice, right? And then, so as you're going down here, there are more words that you can build. These happen to be, I'm not sure if they're all long A words, but they're definitely silent E words. And so you can practice that. And I think this is a nice little game to play. Now, if we end up really liking this, then I can get a series, the whole set of these cards, and we could, spend a few weeks on each set, and then I would send some more out to you. So we will see how it works. We only have one set right now, but I'm willing to get more of them if we end up liking them. And I could see how it is a three-tiered job. We can first spend a few days building the words, then we could spend a few days writing the words or learning how to type the words below, and then we could spend a few days building sentences using those silent E words. So that is another thing we can do with our Chromebooks. I'm looking forward to it. Don't forget, on your Chromebook, you can see Mr. C with extra math. And what's cool about the Chromebook is it has its own built-in number line, and you'll be able to do all of your Mr. C work right on the Chromebook. Have fun!